Save your TikTok content before it is gone. Step-by-step guide with 4K Tokkit 2025. Ready? Learn how to download all your TikTok videos, captions, and comments before the USA shutdown. TikTok is shutting down in the USA on Sunday. Do not panic. This step-by-step guide will show you how to save all your TikTok videos, captions, and comments using 4K Tokkit. Here is what you will learn. How to download your TikTok content in bulk. Troubleshooting common issues during the download process. Tips to organize and repurpose your content for Instagram Reels, YouTube Shorts, and beyond. Examples, stories, and pro tips included from influencers saving their favorite dance routines to entrepreneurs backing up their business tutorials. We have got you covered. By the end of this video, you will know how to protect your hard work and set up for success in 2025. Do not wait until it is too late. Hit play, follow along, and safeguard your TikTok legacy. If you are looking for personalized help with content strategy and business growth, check out my coaching programs linked below. Let's make this the start of something amazing, even without TikTok. Subscribe for more tips and share this with anyone who needs to save their TikTok content. Time is ticking. Imagine yourself sitting at a desk with a laptop open, with upbeat music playing in the background. A countdown clock appears on screen saying, "TikTok shut down tomorrow." Hey everyone! Big news, TikTok is shutting down in the USA this Sunday. And I know what you are thinking. What happens to all my videos, captions, and comments? Do not worry, I've got your back. In today's video, I am giving you a step-by-step guide on how to save your TikTok content using 4K Tokkit. It's fast, simple, and will save you from losing years of hard work. We will cover the challenges you might face, how to solve them, and tips to keep your content safe and ready to thrive on other platforms. Plus, I will share stories and examples to keep things fun. Let's dive in. Section 1. What is 4K Tokkit and why use it? The problem: many TikTokers are scrambling to figure out how to save their content. Downloading videos one by one is tedious and time-consuming, and you might not even know where to start. The solution: why 4K Tokkit is the ultimate tool. 4K Tokkit allows you to batch download videos, captions, and even comments from TikTok accounts all in one go. For example, Sarah, a fashion influencer, saved 500 TikToks with captions and hashtags in under an hour using 4K Tokkit. Talk about a lifesaver. It is like having a digital vacuum cleaner for TikTok. It sucks up everything you need and nothing gets left behind. Solution to cross-platform compatibility works on both Windows and Mac, so no excuses. For example, James, a fitness coach, used his MacBook to back up his TikTok tutorials, while his friend Maria used her PC to save her recipe videos. Both had smooth sailing. Here's a pro tip: make sure you have enough storage space. You do not want your computer throwing a tantrum halfway through. Solution 3. User-friendly interface. 4K Tokkit is designed to be intuitive, so even if you are not tech-savvy, you can use it like a pro. For example, Emily, a first-time user, figured out 4K Tokkit in 10 minutes and saved her entire TikTok account without breaking a sweat. Here is a pro tip: follow along with this video and you will be a 4K Tokkit ninja by the end. Section 2. Setting up for Tokkit. The problem: downloading and setting up new software can feel intimidating, especially if you are on a tight deadline. The solution: download and install. Head to the official 4K Tokkit website, download the software, and follow the simple installation prompts. For example, Jacob was nervous about downloading new software, but was pleasantly surprised at how straightforward the setup was. Here is an actionable tip: make sure you are downloading from the official site. No sketchy links allowed. Solution to log in to your TikTok account: open 4K Tokkit and log in to your TikTok account to give it access to your content. For example, Anna, a travel vlogger, used the login feature to pull her TikToks from multiple trips around the world, preserving her digital memories. Do not worry, 4K Tokkit does not judge your cringe-worthy 2020 TikTok dance phase. We all had one. Solution 3. Choose download preferences. Select whether you want to save videos, captions, or comments, or all three. For example, Michael, a motivational speaker, saved captions and comments so he could reuse his quotes. And audience feedback on other platforms. Here is a pro tip: be specific about what you download. You do not need to save every draft, just the good stuff. Section 3. Troubleshooting common issues. The problem: sometimes downloads fail, accounts get disconnected, or files do not save properly. Panic sets in, but do not worry, we have got solutions. The solution, check internet connection, a stable internet connection, is essential for smooth downloads. For example, Lisa's download stopped midway because of spotty Wi-Fi. She switched to a wired connection, and problem solved. Do not rely on that McDonald's Wi-Fi for this one, your data deserves better. Solution to storage space woes, make sure your computer has enough free storage for your TikTok library. For example, Chris had to clear out old files and free up space to save 700 videos. Bonus, he found an old folder of adorable dog pictures. Here is pro tip, use an external hard drive or cloud storage. If your computer is running low on space, solution 3, restart and retry. If downloads fail, restart the software and try again. For example, Sophia restarted her MacBook after 4K Tokkit froze, and it worked perfectly on the second try. Here is a pro tip sometimes, tech just needs a little nap. Restart and refresh for the win. Section 4, next steps after downloading your content. The problem now that you have saved your content, what is next? Where do you go from here? The solution, organize your files, create folders for your videos, captions, and comments to keep everything tidy. For example, Rachel labeled folders by content type, tutorials, dances, and behind-the-scenes clips, making it easy to repurpose her TikToks later. Your content deserves the VIP treatment. No more dumping files into a folder called stuff. Solution to repurpose content for new platforms. Use your saved content for Instagram Reels, YouTube Shorts, or Facebook Stories. For example, Ben repurposed his top-performing TikToks as YouTube Shorts, gaining 1,000 new subscribers in a month. Here is a pro tip, re-edit your videos slightly to fit the style of each platform, it makes a big difference. Solution 3, build a long-term strategy. Think about how to diversify your presence across multiple platforms. For example, Lauren used her saved content as the foundation for a coaching course, turning her TikTok fame into a business empire. Here is a pro tip. Think beyond short-form videos. Use your content to create blogs, podcasts, or even digital products. Your call to action. Imagine yourself smiling, with upbeat music playing in the background. All your hard work on TikTok is not lost. Click on the link in the description below to get started and join your coaching program on screen. And that is your step-by-step guide to saving your TikTok content with 4K Tokkit before the shutdown. Do not let all your hard work go to waste. Take action today. If you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with your TikTok friends, and hit subscribe for more tips on thriving in 2025. Need help repurposing your content or building a new strategy? Check out my coaching programs for personalized support. Together, we will turn this challenge into your biggest opportunity. Thanks for watching. Now go save those TikToks and take charge of your digital future.